K&N range of air filters available from Repco consist of simple replacement panel filters that drop straight into your standard airbox, universal pod filters, or these vehicle-specific performance intake kits. The full range of washable, reusable, high-flow air filters feature a state-of-the-art design of layer oil cotton media engineered to improve airflow, capture contaminants, as well as provide increase in horsepower. Each performance air filter is reusable and has been engineered to last the entire lifespan of your vehicle. It will be the last filter your car will ever need. With every 60 to 80,000 Ks, you can clean out your filter with a recharge kit to keep it fresh and performing at its best. With all K&N air filters being backed by their 10-year, million-mile limited warranty, you can trust your buying quality. If you're looking for a custom-fit cold air intake for your vehicle, then K&N Performance Intakes are a great option for you. These systems use a low-restriction filter and custom-engineered tubing system that combine to provide high volumes of air to your engine, improving up to 50% more airflow than a stock intake system with a typical disposable paper element. With more airflow getting into the throttle body, this will translate into more power from the engine. K&N intake kits are guaranteed to increase your vehicle's horsepower and torque, and K&N perform rigorous in-house testing to ensure that each kit meets a high-performance standard. The removal of excess stock baffles in your intake pipe help to give a satisfying engine growl on acceleration that returns to normal once at speed. Installation can be completed in around an hour or so and requires only simple hand tools. Each kit comes with a detailed step-by-step instruction and designed to be a precise fit in your engine bay. Upgrade today and start enjoying superior airflow and superior performance in your daily driver, modified street car, or even your race car. With a range of K&N air filters and performance intake systems available online at Repco. Add one to your cart and check out today.